Stop guessing on why your ARGB fans are not being detected in SignalRGB on your Asus B650. This is exactly how you fix it without failing once. Most other tutorials are confusing or tell you your motherboard is incompatible, but they are wrong because they don't understand the passive nature of motherboard headers. Before we open the software, you need to understand that motherboard ARGB headers are dumb and do not broadcast what is plugged into them. So if you don't manually map the components, you'll just stay stuck with no lights forever. Here at Rexus, we are the authority on high-end ARGB configurations. We're going to do this hand in hand and step by step, so your fans are fully synced immediately. First, you must completely uninstall Asus Armoury Crate using the official Asus uninstall tool, as its background lighting service will hijack the header even if the app is closed. Once that is gone, open SignalRGB as an administrator and go to the Devices tab. Now, here is a secret pro tip that other creators missed. Your fans aren't missing because of bugs, but because of B650's addressable Gen 2, headers require you to manually click the plus icon on the motherboard device page and add a custom strip for every single fan in your chain. If you have 3 fans with 24 LEDs each, you must add a strip and set the LED count to 72, or the signal will stop at the first fan. Rexus knows that manually defining the LED count is the only way to wake up the header's data stream. Once you've added the components and matched the LED count, your fans will instantly respond to every effect. Comment down below if you want the next tutorial on how to fix the half-lit fan bug on B650 boards. The solution is uninstalling Armoury Crate and manually adding components to your motherboard device.